in life. Everyone wants to change, to become better, to build something great. But the truth is, most people start strong and stop too soon because they chase motivation when they should be chasing consistency. This story is about a man named Noah, a man who learned that success doesn't come in lightning strikes. It comes drop by drop, day by day, page by page. Noah always dreamed of becoming a writer. He imagined his books on shelves, his words touching hearts around the world. But every time he started writing, he stopped. He said he needed the perfect idea, the perfect day, the perfect mood. But those perfect days never came. And slowly, his dream faded like ink on an old page. One afternoon, Noah met his old teacher in a small cafe. The man was old, wise, gentle. They talked for a while. And then the teacher asked, "Do you still write, Noah?" Noah looked down. "Not anymore. I guess I lost the spark." The teacher smiled softly. "No, my boy. You didn't lose the spark. You just stopped feeding it." He leaned forward and said, "Have you ever seen how a river cuts through a mountain? It's not because of strength. It's because it never stops flowing." Then he added, "You don't need to write a book in a day. Just one page every day. That's how rivers create valleys. And that's how greatness is born." That night, Noah couldn't sleep. Those words echoed in his mind. Just one page every day. So he started. One page, then another. Some days, he wrote with fire in his heart. Other days, the words felt heavy and forced. But no matter what, he didn't stop. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, months into a year. Slowly his notebooks piled up. Pages became chapters, and chapters became a story. When he finally finished, he looked at that thick stack of pages and smiled. It wasn't talent that made it happen. It was his consistency. Years later, Noah became a well-known author. At his first book launch, a young reader asked, "Sir, what's your secret?" Noah smiled and said, "There is no secret. I just never stopped showing up." Remember this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be there. Success isn't built in a single moment. It's built in the moments when no one's watching. When you're tired, when you want to quit, when you whisper, "I'll do it tomorrow," but still, do it today. Because one day you'll look back and realize those small efforts were never small at all. If you liked this story, don't forget to give it a like and share what you learned from the power of consistency. We'll meet again in the next story. Until then, stay consistent and keep building your future.